আসসালামু আলাইকুম ও রহমতুল্লাহি ওবরাকাতু। এস এম শাহজাহান। ওয়েলকাম to my lecture. Today I will discuss about a dialogue. Read the following situation. Make a dialogue on it. You want to fix an appointment with a doctor. Marcel. Hello. Assalamu alaikum. Would I please talk to Dr. Ahmed? Doctor. Wa alaikum assalam. Yes, Dr. Ahmed is speaking. How could I help you? Marcel. I would like to meet you. Doctor. Today? Marcel. Would you like to give me the appointment? Doctor. At 5 in the afternoon? Marcel. Yes, sure. Thank you. Doctor. You are welcome. Dear students, you should read this dialogue attentively. See you next class. May Allah bless you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.